Presenting the Samsung original Level U Bluetooth headset that gives you high-performance audio experience on the go. This in-ear headphone features dual microphone with noise reduction and echo cancellation features that reduce outside sound interference and feedback during calls, enabling you to take calls easily even in busy environments. The headset gives up to 10 hours of music playtime, up to 11 hours of talk time, and up to 500 hours of standby time, giving you extended listening hours without worrying about frequent recharging. This Samsung headset is lightweight and wireless. It is furnished with soft, flexible rubber joints and neckband type design to give you complete comfort while using it. The neckband can be adjusted to fit your neck size easily for a snug and secure fit. This headset also has ergonomically designed hybrid-type earbuds which remain secure even when you're on the go, making it comfortable for wearing even for long hours. The Samsung Level U headset features 12mm large speaker units that deliver high-fidelity, clear sound for an immersive audio experience. The headset comes with Bluetooth connectivity. The multi-point access allows your Bluetooth headset to be connected to two Bluetooth devices at the same time. The headset comes with tactile control buttons located on the side of the mic to control your music and calls. It is available in gold and black sapphire color variants. Inside the box, you will find one Bluetooth headset. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.